The long-term benefits of incorporating the trust and will service into my practice is going to be that I am able to help a wider range of people with their legacies, with their estate planning, because the alternative to that is I can talk to them about the need for estate planning, but I can't drag them to an estate attorney's office, right? And sometimes, when you look at the statistics, how many people have estate plans and everything else, sometimes that inertia just is insurmountable. So having this option for relatively simple estate plans is extremely powerful for me, because I would say of all the people I've put on trust and will, less than half of them would have a will without this option being available. I can nag them, I can push them, I can explain to them, but this creates a lot more satisfied clients within my practice. And also when dealing with prospects as well, it helps with my onboarding, and that this is an option that not a lot of financial advisors offer. Many of them will say, okay, yeah, well, we can talk about estate planning, I'll send you to an attorney, but I can actually talk to them about actually getting this thing done. So it's very helpful for me in that regard as well.